Keeping your home clean can often feel like a never-ending chore, especially when you have to deal with unexpected spills and daily dust buildup. This is where the Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum comes into play. Designed for quick and efficient cordless cleaning, this hand vacuum aims to make your life easier. In this detailed review, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. One of the standout features of the Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing just a few pounds, it's easy to maneuver and carry around the house, making it ideal for quick cleanups. Whether you're tackling crumbs on the kitchen counter, dust on the shelves, or pet hair on the couch, this hand vacuum is designed to be your go-to tool for small messes. Despite its compact size, the Dustbuster packs a punch when it comes to suction power. With a suction power of 15 air watts-awe, it efficiently picks up dirt, crumbs, and debris. This makes it perfect for those quick cleanups that don't require dragging out your full-sized vacuum cleaner. It's especially handy for cleaning up after meals, handling minor spills, and keeping your car's interior spotless. The cordless feature of this hand vacuum adds to its convenience. No more worrying about finding a nearby outlet or getting tangled in cords. The 8V Max battery provides enough power for light to moderate cleaning tasks. While it may not be suitable for deep cleaning large areas, it excels in quick pickups and spot cleaning. The freedom to move around without restrictions makes this vacuum a versatile tool for any home. Charging and storing the Dustbuster is hassle-free, thanks to the included wall-mountable charger. This not only keeps the vacuum out of the way when not in use, but also ensures it's always ready for action. The charger doubles as a storage solution, saving you space and keeping your cleaning tools organized. Simply place the vacuum on the mount, and it begins charging automatically, ensuring it's always ready for the next use. The Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum is designed with user convenience in mind. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl allows you to see when it needs emptying, preventing any surprises mid-clean. The dirt bowl has a capacity of 1099 ounces, which is ample for small to medium messes. Emptying the dirt bowl is straightforward. Just detach it, dump the contents, and snap it back in place. Maintenance is simple with the washable bowl and filter. Instead of purchasing replacement filters, you can easily wash them, reducing ongoing costs and ensuring your vacuum remains in top working condition. Regular cleaning of the bowl and filter also helps maintain suction power and prolongs the life of the vacuum. The Dustbuster is specifically designed for quick cleanups and spills. Whether it's crumbs from a midnight snack, scattered pet food, or a knocked-over plant pot, this vacuum is ready to handle it. Its compact size allows it to reach tight spaces where larger vacuums can't go, such as between couch cushions, under car seats, and around baseboards. In real-world use, the Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum proves to be a reliable and effective tool. Users have praised its ease of use, powerful suction for its size, and the convenience of its cordless operation. It's particularly popular among pet owners who need to quickly tackle fur and dander. The vacuum's portability makes it ideal for use in various parts of the home, as well as in vehicles. Conclusion: the Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum is a fantastic addition to any home. Its lightweight and portable design, combined with powerful suction and cordless operation, make it perfect for quick cleanups and small messes. The easy charging and maintenance features add to its appeal, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. While it may not replace a full-sized vacuum for deep cleaning, it excels in its intended role as a handy, quick clean solution. For those looking to simplify their cleaning routine and keep their living space tidy with minimal effort, the Dustbuster is an excellent choice. Upgrade your cleaning game with the Black+Decker 8V Max Dustbuster hand vacuum and enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Happy cleaning! Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.